Hey traders, welcome back. Today we're going to dive into the world of technical analysis. This is a crucial skill for any trader to master, and I'm excited to share my knowledge with you. Alright, so what is technical analysis? Yeah, technical analysis is the study of past markets that are primarily price and volume to forecast future price movements. It is based on the idea that history repeats itself, and by identifying patterns and trends, we can make informed decisions. Before you trade the market or do anything, you will want to analyze the market. This is BTC USD. Let me just remove previous drawing so we start fresh. All right, so as we previously said, use the study of past markets and all of that. Before you want to trade the market, you need to know what the market is saying. You need to analyze the market down from weekly to daily. We have different time frames. We have the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, down to 15 minutes. This is the daily time frame, and I think we'll just start with this. So we have different ways to read the market, and we're going to take all of that one after the other. Then we'll put all of them together and work with it. So we're going to start with charts. These are one of the ways to analyze the market. Remember, the technical analysis is just pretty simple. It's just a study of previous markets using different tools, different ideas, chart patterns, the trends. We're going to talk about the trends, the uptrend, the downtrend, the sideways trend. We're going to talk about the chart, reading the market with charts, line chart, bar chart, candlestick charts. All of these are pretty important. Chart patterns and some indicators too that we use to analyze the market. All right, so we're going to start with the types of charts that we have. There are several types of charts used in technical analysis. And number one, we have the line chart, a simple chart that display the closing price of a security over time. When you hear me say security, it's just the market. So maybe I'm going to stick with market here. The line chart and the bar chart, a chart that displays the high, low, opening and closing prices of the market over time. And we have the candlestick chart, a chart that displays the high, the low, opening and closing prices of the market over time with a visual representation of price actions. Yeah, and we have different. We're gonna stick more on the explanation of the candlestick charts because we have different types of candlesticks. They are very, very important in reading the market. We're gonna come back to that, but before that, let's talk about trends. Let's talk about trends. Trends are the backbone of technical analysis. When you hear backbone, it means they are very, very important. They are what? Very, very important. They are the backbones of technical analysis. They determine how the market moves. Number one, we have the uptrend. Number two, the downtrend. And number three, the sideways trend. These are the three ways the market moves. And I'm going to include some tools here so I can use it for a better explanation. Okay, I've added some of them here. So now if we are to analyze this market, first of all, let me show you how the market moves. Let's forget about the chart here. This is how the market moves. Either the market moves like this in an uptrend, that's for the uptrend. That's how the market moves in an uptrend. Yeah, let me add a text here so It's gonna stick up trend. That's for the uptrend. And for the downtrend, remember these are the three major ways the market moves. Either the market is moving upwards or the market is doing something like this, moving downwards. Pretty simple, right? Quite opposite, exactly opposite of what an uptrend is. And this is for the downtrend. And we have the sideways trend. Of course, we should know what that is. A sideways trend, simply when the market does something like this, just now we notice here the market is moving what in a sideways direction. If you watch closely, you can see that the market has not gone past this range and this range. This simply means the market is in a sideways movement. So we're going to learn how to trade all this. Okay, let me add a text here for a better understanding. Sideways trend. So pretty simple, right? An uptrend, a downtrend, sideways trend. We're going to learn how to trade the market using all these trends, using all these patterns. We're going to know where to buy, where to sell, where to take our profit. It's pretty simple. Know where to buy, where to sell, and where to take our profit. And I don't want this video to be longer than this. And also we have some indicators that we're also going to be using, but for this video, for this lesson to be short and simple, I think we're just going to wrap it up here for the trend. Okay, let's look at it in a real life chart. Now, if you were to analyze this market, what trend will you say this is on? Good, an uptrend. If you didn't get it right, if you didn't get that right, that's no problem. Simple. The market, watch closely, is moving like this. Boom, boom, boom. And if we pull that out, we now get the direction of this market. And this, we can say the market is in an uptrend. Pretty simple, right? Yes, we are going to cover a lot and a lot in the next video. So we're just going to be keeping the video short so you can consume it and understand it. No rush here. All right, that's all for today on the technical analysis. I hope you learned something new and valuable. Remember, technical analysis is a skill that takes time to practice and to develop, but it doesn't take forever. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep practicing and you eventually improve in your trading. So thank you and peace out. Watch out for the next video. Thanks.